the weekend and I'm just pitter-pattering around the apartment getting stuff done. Kind of watching TV, a series, at the same time as having a notepad beside me where I'm jotting down things I'm trying to get done, because I can think of a thing that I would like to do and just 2 seconds later I can't even remember what I was going to do. So right now I am soaking dishes to wash, get ready to clean makeup brushes. I need to clean them. I have this aloe vera hair, this aloe vera 100% gel that I have in my hair. I'm trying out different things for my hair, like different things like what would condition it, make it feel soft, and just also a way to style it without heat. I have this aloe vera gel that I massage in my scalp or whatever, and not whatever, but that's what I did. So I also am painting my nails. I just put one coat on. It looks terrible, but it's an old polish, and I'm hoping that I don't have to get rid of it because it went bad on me. Okay, so I have these 3 containers that somebody gave me. Right now I got some jasmine rice in there, and I'm going to ferment that for 24 hours or so, and then I'm going to put some in each of these little spray bottles. That one to use on a regular, those two just... I'm going to try this as a leave-in spray, daily type of one. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm just like tidying up and getting things kind of back like in a position where I like it. Yeah, so I'll be taking out trash and a clear bin here that I strictly only put paper in. So if I'm sitting on the couch right here, I'll just toss stuff in the trash bag here. I need to clean off my desk, get rid of all these receipts from the shopping, and then I have the stuff sitting down here that I'm going to do a haul on, which would be an accumulative haul from just the thrifting that we did over the weekend. Over the week, it's not even a weekend. We went different places, different days, so I'm going to be doing that. Go ahead and put my second coat of nail polish on. Finish vacuuming. I feel productive. I made some quinoa mixed with some vegan meat, vegan hamburger patty, and Brussels sprouts that were roasted that I just added to it. And I'm going to make me a plate for dinner. And by the way, I did finish putting another coat of nail polish on my nails. It looks much better. And then I'm going to go ahead and put whatever's left inside of these dishes for me to take to lunch for work, or either for dinner when I get home. And I already talked about that little project. This is a candle jar that had a lemon candle in it, or yellow. I don't know what the scent was, I forgot. but my granddaughters gave it to me for Mother's Day, and I already used it. So I also melted the candle out of here, the wax, and cleaned this out. And I'm going to put something in it and give it back to them. And then, of course, I have the dishes washed, strainer from IKEA, and then I got majority of my makeup brushes cleaned, and I probably have a couple more somewhere, but I got majority of them clean. So just looking at that little project, and I always like to I feel good when dishes are washed, areas all cleaned out. I'm going to put those away shortly, but I feel really good when my makeup brushes are clean, and I always like to start out my week like that. Let's see. And I cleaned up the stove from some of our cooking over the week that I had company. And that's what I've been doing. And I don't know if you can see, but in my hair, I made little twisties. And what I'm trying to do is see if I twist it, and then if I undo it, will it give me a wavy hair look? And that way I can have myself like a no heat hairstyle during the work week. I'm just trying different things because, as you know, I'm excited to use my rice water as a daily leave-in conditioner or a daily spritzer. And I just going to be mindful of that protein, and once this water ferments, I'm going to still dilute it. And I'm probably going to go to Walmart and buy some peppermint oil or some other scented oil to put in it to pipe down the smell of the fermentation of the rice water. But other than that, I may leave it. I don't know. So I'm going to fix my plate. And it's just dinner time now. A little while ago, I could hear the birds chirping, and I started to go by the window so you can see, or hear, I should say, because I don't know where they are. I don't have a tree right in front of me, but yet I heard them chirping. I love that. It's like God's little natural things are pleasing to humans, you know, like spring water, a waterfall, a body of ocean, chirping birds, flowers. Those things, they just naturally appeal to mankind. I mean, as far as I know, I haven't ran across anybody who didn't like I had to heat it up and it kind of burned, but I'm still gonna just scrape around that crispiness. I haven't ran across anybody who said they didn't like the way a flowing river sound, rain sounds. I mean, a lot of people don't prefer to sleep to it, but you know, the sound of it, they don't say, oh, that's a horrible sound. And bodies of water, and you know, the birds chirping, parks, green grass, green trees. You know, you don't really hear anybody complain. It's so funny how those simple things, you know, if you think about it, those simple things make you happy. And maybe that's why it's a good thing if you're going through something to take a walk, go into nature, be by yourself, and just, you know, get quiet with nature. And just revamp your life, revamp your mind, and reset your week, your day, your month, your year. Even if it's in the middle of the day, you have places like that or nearby, just go and reset your day and just enjoy God's nature. So this is what my day looked like after having company for a week. I'm feeling really, really productive and ready for the work week. So guys, this is a different day. I have my rice water that is in the fridge that I'm going to put inside of the bottles and use it as a spritzer. So today I think I'm going to use it in my hair as I'm going to spray it on my hair, and then I'm going to be washing my hair tomorrow or the next day. But in the meantime, I have fermented it for a couple of days, 24 or 48 hours. I'm going to dilute it, like I said. But this is just to let you know that It's a different day. It's later in the week, and I'm going to show you meal that I prepared. I had a no makeup look today. I just couldn't be bothered. I really didn't even feel like going to work, but I did, and it was a struggle. I'm tired. It's like having company last week. It caught up with me somehow. I felt really good and energized after my company left, but all of a sudden I just felt extremely exhausted. So, all right, on to the meal prep coming up. The chicken tender is fried in fish batter and grapeseed oil. I have this green beans that I'm made and this 4 cheese instant mashed potatoes. Just situating my meal prep dishes. I like to call them my TV dinners.